SUNHUNK K328 Truck Crane, with a maximum lifting height of 19.48 meters, invites you to experience it at the 2025 Riyadh exhibition. The K328 Truck Crane stands out in the industry with its 300 kN maximum lifting moment and 12,000 kilograms maximum lifting capacity. Its 6-section hydraulic telescopic boom design allows a maximum working radius of 16.2 meters and a maximum lifting height of 19.48 meters, providing strong support for various complex operations. The K328 is equipped with a high-efficiency hydraulic system, a high-torque slewing reduction gear, an imported large-flow pump, and an intelligent temperature control radiator, ensuring high efficiency and safety during operations. From February 15 to 18, 2025, SUNHUNK will showcase the K328 at the Big 5 Construct Saudi 2025 exhibition in Riyadh, booth 4A79. We welcome you to visit and learn more about the innovative technology of our truck crane.